flat brush and make a line right above my nose and right underneath.
Oh my god, her contour technique is insane. And if you want to do makeup like Ariana Greenblatt, then stay with me till the end of the video.
New York City.
But I don't have products like her. I will be using drugstore products only to create makeup like Ariana. And if you are like me, then don't worry, we are sitting both in the same boat. And if you want to learn this look, then stay with me till the end of the video and create this mesmerizing, beautiful look. But I don't know, I haven't created yet. So yeah, if you want to know it, then stay with me till the end. And without further ado, let's get it started. So first we use the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Foundation, but I don't have it. So I'll be using this Max Factor Miracle Pure Skin Improving Foundation. Alright? So we'll be taking very less quantity, like always. And just I have to use my right hand because I'm a right-handed person. Oh my god, I just want to do it with my fingers, but she actually used a damn beauty blender. I don't like using it, but yeah, for Ariana. So it's a damn beauty blender, and let's blend it. Everything in the face. And then just blend lightly. It's a very beautiful foundation by Max Factor. I don't know if it's available everywhere or not. You can see, you can just check out its review on my link over here because I've done this complete review. We are done with the blending of foundation, and now it's time for concealer. So as you know, I don't have any concealer because I don't like many concealers. She used a NARS concealer and custard, but I'll be using the Ingla's HD foundation as a concealer. I'm in the shade, it's basically darker than my skin tone, it's in the shade 84. So I'll be using this wherever I'm having marks. It's better than actually the NARS concealer. I've had it once and I didn't actually like it. I thought that it was actually not according to my skin shade. But this is amazing. So she just used it on the face wherever she wanted to use it, on the eyes, and then she let it sit rather than blending. So I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to let it sit while I'll do my brows. Just like her. So we are done with the concealer. I guess it's okay. But wait, I remember one thing, because it's the foundation and it's a semi-matte foundation, so I need to blend it before I do my brows, otherwise I won't be able to blend it. Thank god I remembered. So I will blend it in the same step. And you can see that how it does. It covered almost all my imperfections. Right? So well. I really love it. On the chin, here as well. Pimpy. I don't know what's going on with my skin. I'm getting so many pimples in the past 1 month. The hormones are like taking its revenge. So I've got fuller brows just like her, like darker brows, because I'm a South Asian, so yeah, you don't need much. But even then I'm gonna like fill it in with this. I've actually used the Maybelline Colossal Kaujal as a brow filler, and it works really fine. I've actually like broke it and then just push one thing away off because I thought that it's gonna work better this way. So yeah. So I think that we are done with the brows. You can see that they look a little bit fuller. I mean, there was a gap over here and I have just filled it in with this Maybelline Kajal. So I'm gonna like brush it with this brush now to make sure that the product is evenly distributed and there are no clumps of the product on the eyebrows. So yeah, that's my step. And then use the translucent powder to seal the concealer, and I'm going to use the Laura Mercier powder that I have to seal the concealer. Use a generous amount because we haven't used full coverage foundation, especially if you have acne prone skin, otherwise it's gonna make the skin very sweaty. The makeup is coming together really well. I really like it till now. You can see that the area that was looking darker before, now it's looking much more better. I've used the same kind of thing that's given in the compact powders, and you can use any beauty blender of your choice. She used the Charlotte Tilbury contour one, but I'm going to use the Luscious Cosmetics contour palette, and I'm going to use this shade. Blend, 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 blend. Okay, should go in your hairline. This one towards so I don't know how it's gonna turn out like the contour because she is a lighter tone girl. I have darker skin tone than her, so I'm not sure that how it's gonna turn up like, but yeah, let's see. And then she used a warmer shade of contour from Fenty Beauty, but I'm going to use this shade from the palette, and you can use a similar shade or then use it just on the same point where you have actually used the darker contour. A little higher up, like yep, that's it. That's it. So blend it from both the sides because it's going to give a little bit warm to the face, and then also you use the product a little higher up, and I have done the same, and now it's blended perfectly. And you can use any other eye shades that's in the same color like this. So yeah, it doesn't make a difference because the idea is to give warmth to the face on this point. And then she used the Coral Cream blush on her face from Investment, but I don't have it. I'm going to use the NYX Life's a Beach. Life's a Beach, right? I'm going to use NYX Life's a Beach lipstick because it's the perfect coral shade for my skin as a blush on this place. Okay, on this side. There's a hair on my face, so I'm going to use it on this side. So don't use much because it's a very pigmented lipstick. You can use any other lipstick that's in the coral shade like so over here, and I'm gonna blend it with the fingers. Oh, it's too much. Don't worry. Rub off the excess blush from this place, and then just blend, blend, blend. Beautiful. Okay, so she used the Westman Atelier, but yeah, nobody can tell the difference. Blend everything together with the damn beauty blender. It looks good so far. Back here as well. Here as well. I think nobody can tell the difference that I have used a NYX lipstick instead of a blush because it looks really nice on my brown skin. Okay, it's looking really nice now. I'm really loving it. And after blending the blush, she went in with another lip and cheek tint from YSL, but I'm going to use this peachy blush from a brand called Art Code, and it's a powder blush. Why I'm using it? Because first, I have acne prone skin. I cannot use a lot of cream products on the face, otherwise it's gonna sweat and cause pimples. Secondly, I don't have it, so I'm gonna use it. I'm gonna show you the swatch. Okay, sorry. I'm gonna show you that it looks like very beautiful peachy blush. So I'm gonna use it just like curve on my fingers like so, on the same place where I used the blush. Very, very beautiful blush in a peach shade, and it has a little bit of a glow in it. So, a very underrated brand. Unfortunately, it's a polish brand. Oh my god, it looks lit. So far I'm like loving this look. And now on to nose contour. And now on to our famous nose contour technique. So just like the cheeks, you use two different shades of contours, and I'm going to use again the same palette, and I will take the brown shade, and I'm gonna make a line. I probably need to use my mirror. So I'm gonna make a line just like she did it, with her very carefully. I think I messed it up a bit. I do this, and I'm gonna blend it like she did with a fluffy brush. Like so. So far, this looks like a very sun-kissed kind of a makeup on brown skin. So it is. And then choose the lighter shade from Charlotte Tilbury, but I'm going to use the lighter shade that I used on my cheek here, on the exact same spot that she has actually mentioned. Alright, and then just blend. Okay, this looks crazy. Blend really well. You don't want the harsh contour lines to show. Alright, so I don't think so that it has made quite a difference on my face. My nose actually looks the same. I think it's not looking good. I don't actually need this kind of a blush. I think it's not for people with brown skin tone. But yeah, you don't need to try it. I tried it out for you. And now it's time for highlighter. So I'm going to use the same highlighter from this palette. Very beautiful. Very lightly put it over here. Wow, I really love this highlighter. On this side, you will probably see it better with the lighting. I think today sucks actually. It looks gorgeous. And then she did some fake freckles, so I'm going to use a darker eye shade and this brush and very little like dots. That's it. And then just blend it. Okay, so it's hardly visible. I don't either like this step. I will skip this step and I will move on to mascara. And for the mascara, I'll be using the Maybelline Scholastic Mascara. Use it like that on the outer corner of the eyes. So it's a very beautiful mascara. As you can see, it has made my eyelashes appear very thicker, longer. And Ariana has a very interesting way of doing lips. I've never seen anybody do their lips like that. So she used two different lip liners. I'm going to take the darker shade first and do my lips. This is from NYX Cosmetics called Urban Cafe. I've used numerous times in numerous videos. Very beautiful, very affordable. And it really suits girls who have brown skin tone. So yeah, definitely give this one a try. And for the next lip liner, I'm going to use the NYX Soft Spoken Lip Liner. And she hasn't actually used anything in between her lips. That's very weird. So this brings us to the end of our video. Do let me know how do you find it. Do try out this look using products that I've used, because these are all affordable products, and you can check out the links for my outfit from my description, and you can also go to my blog itebooks.com to know all about it. Personally, for me, this is not the kind of look that I would do like for an everyday look, because it's so complicated and the result is just normal. Until you meet again, take care of yourself. Ciao.